Hi. The other day I showed a bit of this infinite Sokoban editor or play thing, which allows you to define via three little functions where are the goals and and the crates and the walls. And I show some infinite levels like this one, which is interesting to think about. Obviously, this cannot be solved in the sense that you will never complete the task, but you can imagine having infinite time, and this level is trivial in that case. If you have infinite time, you can solve it. But there are cases like this one, which is bidirectional. Like you see, you have infinite towards two directions. And in this case, it's also possible to solve it if you have infinite time. There are more interesting combinations. For example, in this case, we have twice the goals than crates, but we still can solve it if we have infinite time and infinite patience, of course. There are other variations like this one, in which you have twice the crates than the goals. This is a little more annoying, but you can solve it if you have infinite time. Although the maneuvering is a bit more cumbersome, but you can do it. This one is also annoying but doable, like the previous one. But there are some cases like this one, which is very interesting. It was shown to me by a member of the Tinky Puzzle Games Discord. In this case, you cannot, even if you have infinite time, you cannot solve this level, because when you put this crate here, you are blocked. You cannot exit. So this, let me undo, this box must be the last one you solve. But of course, before you solve this, you put this crate here, you must put all the infinite, all this row of infinite crates in their places. So even if you have infinite time, you must use all your time putting these pieces, these crates in their place, and you must then return infinitely to the house and put the last box. So I'm not sure this level is actually solvable with infinite time, because you will need twice infinite steps. Some terminology uses terms like omega steps for these ones, and this level will require omega times 2 plus some constant time to put this box here. And this level is even more interesting because you cannot even begin to solve it, because look, each time you put a box in their place, you block another box. You cannot avoid it. Cannot even begin to solve this, because you need to go infinitely to the right to begin preparing the boxes. Imagine for example, that this is the other side of the infinite, you'll reach the last crate, so to speak, you move it a bit, and you could, in theory, begin putting the rest in their places, but obviously this is all absurd, because obviously you cannot do it. This is a super task that I'm not sure it's solvable even with transfinite amounts of time. This one, I think it is with omega times 2 plus the time in the house. But this one is directly impossible, I suspect. If there is some expert on transfinite tasks, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate to comment about this or about my other projects. You can also help me using the links below. Thanks.